Today we're going to be working on a number line. So in your bag, I need you to get out your number line, one of your erasers, and have your math mat ready. So when you have your number line out, lay it out in front of you on top of your math mat. Let's put our finger on the zero, finger on the zero, on the zero. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, what number do I have covered up? That's a 5. Can you put your counter on your number 5? Very good. If I start at 5 and I move forward, what happens to the numbers? So listen again. If I start on number 5 and I move forward, what happens to the numbers? They are greater or they are larger. When I move forward on the number line, my numbers get larger or greater. If I start on number 5 and I move backward on the number line, what happens to the numbers? They are less or smaller than the number 5. Very good. Now, who can tell me a number that is less than 5 or smaller than 5? Is 1 less or smaller than 5? Yes. Is 4 less or smaller than 5? Yes. Is 2 less or smaller than 5? Yes. What about 3? Is 3 less or smaller than 5? Yes, it is. Very good. So remember, when you move backward on the number line, the numbers are less. Now, who can tell me a number that's greater than 5 or bigger than 5? Is 10 greater than 5? Yes. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes. What about 6? Oh, yes, it is. And 8 and 9. All of these numbers moving forward on the number line are greater than the number 5. Good. Now, listen carefully to what I say. Put your counter on number 4. Put your counter on number 4 and listen to Miss Miranda's directions. Count forward 1. When you counted forward 1, what number will we be on? 5. Good. Now, if we start on number 4, go back to number 4, put your counter on number 4, count forward 2. 1, 2. What number are we on? 6. Very good. When you move forward on the number line, the numbers are larger. Now, put your counter on number 7. Put your counter on number 7 and listen carefully. I want you to count backward 2. Count backward 2. When you're at 7 and you count backward 2, which number are you on? 5. Good job. Now, you will practice with your mom or your dad putting your counter on a number and them telling you to move forward and back. There are also games that you can play at home where you're moving forward or backward. So practice using these at home. Use your number line. Take it outside. Play with your brother or your sister or your pet or your stuffed animal, someone, and practice moving forward or backward on the number line. use your counters. When you finish with all of your materials, where should they go? In the bag. And put the materials back in your big bag, and then you'll have them when it's time to use them again. Now, we finished this lesson, so it's going to be your job to do your independent lesson. So you're going to find your lesson that says 109 on it, and it's the game like we just played right here. Moving forward and coloring in a number, or moving backward and coloring a number. Your job is to read the sentences and do what they're asking you to do. On the back, guess what? You're connecting the dots again. You're going from 0 all the way to 20. And when you figure out what the picture is, I want you to write a sentence about the picture that you made. Thanks so much for working with me today, and I'll see you next time.